In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link within a Google Docs document. We'll create two kinds of internal links so readers can jump around your document effortlessly. Links that point to headings and links that point to precise spots using bookmarks. This is perfect for long reports, guides, or any document where you want quick navigation. Start by preparing the destination you want to link to. Highlight the heading text in your document, open the Styles menu on the toolbar, and choose Heading 1. After it's applied, open the same Styles menu again, click the arrow next to Heading 1, and select Update Heading 1 to match selection. This locks in your current formatting as the Heading 1 style, keeping your document consistent and ensuring Google Docs recognizes it as a jump target. Using proper heading styles also feeds the document outline, making navigation clearer. Now create a link that jumps to that heading. Select the word or phrase you want to turn into a link, go to Insert, then Link. In the link panel, choose headings and pick the heading you just styled. Confirm, and your text becomes a clickable link that takes readers straight to that section. A quick tip, you can also open the link panel with the standard shortcut, then choose the heading from the suggestions. After inserting the link, hover over it to test and make sure it lands exactly where you expect. For places that aren't headings, maybe a specific sentence or a key term, use a bookmark. Click where you want readers to land or highlight the exact words, then go to Insert and choose Bookmark. You'll see a small marker appear indicating that spot is now a destination. Bookmarks are great when you need precision beyond a section title. Finally, link to that bookmark. Highlight the text you want to turn into the link. Go to Insert, then Link. In the link options, look for the bookmark section and select the bookmark you created. Insert the link, and it will navigate directly to that exact location. Hover to preview the target, then click to test. If you ever adjust your content, the bookmark moves with the text, so your link will still land in the right place. That's it. Apply a heading style and update it to match your formatting. Link to that heading for quick section jumps. Add a bookmark where you need pinpoint accuracy, and then link to that bookmark. With these tools, your Google Doc becomes easy to navigate and far more professional for readers.